the water keeps dripping. The valve cannot close completely. This is the structure of the valves, caps, and the steps. We can either replace the valve, replace the steps, tighten the cap, or add another valve. If you want to replace valve, you need plumber tools. Also, copper tube and connectors. You need to break the drywall. Also, fix the drywall and the painting. This is a big job. The other three options are easy. Close the front valve first, which is right on the other side of the wall inside the house. Tighten the cap of the valve to see if it works. If it's not working, try to replace the steps of the valve. But sometimes the steps is seized, really hard to get it off. We can buy this kind of valve, garden hose Y valve. This is what garden hose Y valves look like. This is garden hose Y valve manufacturer. Add the garden hose Y valve to the old valve. Try to see if it works. See, the job is done.